Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by combining prerequisites with immediate actions. Ensure your account is active, API key generated, and two-factor authentication enabled. Store the key securely. Next, install the KitAI CLI v1, 2 or later, and run Kit's version to confirm. Then prepare a sample dataset, CSV or JSONal, UTF-8, and extract 100 representative rows so you can iterate quickly. Once done, you avoid wasted setup time and move straight into building a minimal workflow that actually runs. You now configure the core pipeline and start training. Create a project with kits in it and export environment variables for API and region so requests route correctly. Define a pipeline that includes a tokenizer, any augmenters, and the model specification. Choose batch size 32 for balanced throughput. Then kick off local training with Kit's trains sample 1000 epochs 3 and open the live logs. As you watch, make small hyperparameter tweaks, learning rate or augmenters, to stabilize loss without restarting the whole run. You complete the process by deploying and validating. Deploy to production using Kit's deploy envprod and immediately validate with 10 targeted test queries so you confirm behavior. Set up monitoring for latency, error rate, and 95% response time to catch regressions early. If deployment fails, inspect the API key and region for mismatches, confirm the model artifact was uploaded, and tail CLI logs for errors. If you see a permissions or artifact issue, rotate the key and redeploy. That usually resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.